Okay, here we go. We got a Mercedes 250, sorry. C. It's almost done. We did some fixing in the trunk here. We did some welding, some patching. You barely notice it. It was here and part of the channel and over there. It hasn't been polished yet. It has been wet sanded and it's almost ready to roll. All interiors were done. Beautifully. Headliner. That wood piece was made real wood. Originally we were plastic, but now we made it over real wood. And we refurbish the wood on the dash as well. Looks beautiful. New carpet, new upholstery. It's almost ready.